lost in dreams I've always had. I'll take it apart.
What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and I got another Chevelle for you. Getting ready to do a walk around. This is a 1971 Chevelle with a 350 under the hood. Looks like it does have the AC compressor, power steering. I'll be doing a full walk around on this car, point out any kind of flaws that I can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. We try to pick all that out for you. A lot of people come from other states, so we'll take a lot of the hassle out of it and save both of us time. You can check out close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Get financed, and shipping information is also available. So all of our inventory is updated weekly, every Monday. This week, it's gonna be Tuesday. We got a holiday coming up, so we will not be here Monday. We're gonna be closed. All right, gonna start a walk around here shortly. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like the music at the beginning, that is my band, that's me. Go subscribe to my other YouTube page. It's up in the top right-hand corner. All right, starting up here in the front. This bumper's been on here a little while. You can see some of the chrome is starting to peel off. A couple little scratches there. The headlight bezels are in good condition. The turn signal lights there got some cracks in them from age. This grill looks like it's been replaced. The bow tie in the middle. You could use a new one of them. Same with this side. There's a couple cracks in the lights. I would definitely call this a brown paint job. And it looks nice, clean, and shiny. It does have some chips. It's not perfect. There's one right there. We're gonna be getting down real low, looking for any issues such as rust, Bondo, scratches, chips, anything I can find. Tires are in good shape. Polished American racing wheels. Drum brakes all the way around on this car. This is a Malibu, which is a trim package of a Chevelle. Some people don't understand that. They're like, I guess he thinks it's a Malibu, or Chevelle's a Malibu. Oh, Chevelle's a Chevelle, Malibu's a trim package. Prove me wrong. But anyways, the trim is looking good around the windows. The door handle here does have some pitting popping up on the handle. There's a scratch in the middle of the door and a couple little chips sideways. Let's check the bottom of the door. This car is in pretty solid condition. I don't really see any Bondo work. Go back over a little bit. There is a lot of little scuffs. A good buff job probably served this car well. A lot of light scratches. There's a real light scratch right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Panels look solid. Tires on the back are in great shape. I love the meat. Big thick tire there. Not so much wide, but it looks good from the outside stance. Definitely gonna be checking this top here for bubbles. There's one right here, I can feel it. What I like to do is run my hand on the vinyl top, feeling for bumps. If I feel it, I'll tell you about it. If I see it, I'll try to zoom in on it. Water likes to get trapped under these vinyl tops. There's definitely some bubbles there. There's one. This trim is butting right up against it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Coming on down here to the back. The back bumper has not been replaced. It's very cheap to get bumpers for this car. I think they're about 150 each. Exhaust pipe needs to be changed out. It looks fairly old and rusty. Doing the same thing with the back over here. In the same exact spot, there's some bubbles popping up under this vinyl top. Keep on coming up this way. Tell you what, it is hot. The sun's got this top baking. Some extra underneath here. Not really any rust, but extra material bundled up. Got a scratch right there and a chip. At the bottom of the door, there's a chip right there, here, and here. Some chips right there in the middle of the door as well. Got a scratch right here above the Malibu 350 emblem. And that emblem is looking a little bit rough. Chip in the corner of the hood there. We'll be laying the hood down in just a moment. I'll tell you what, not too bad. Lots of little chips, very light scratches that can be buffed out, and very minimal rust on this one. All right, let's go ahead and open the trunk up. Check the interior out, start her up, and look underneath. We'll see if we can find any other problems. All right, checking the trunk out. We've got weather stripping coming around the trunk, needs to be replaced. There is some rust popping up right here in the jamb. Going all the way around. We got the spare tire, the jack. It looks like they got some carpet in the trunk. Overlaying. Check it out, see if it's got any water leaking down in there. And there's a little bit of moisture popping up here. The package tray is in pretty good shape. It's got a little bit of surface rust on it. This trunk has not been replaced. It doesn't look like anything's been done. So it's in decent shape there. We'll go ahead and check the edges of the trunk lid. You can see a little bit of surface rust popping up on that where it hasn't been messed with. I don't see it eating all the way through. It just looks like paint crumbling. We'll go shut it down. Let's go ahead and check the interior out now. Door panel's a little rough down there in the bottom. Usually when people get out of these cars, they kick the door panel, and that's exactly what's happened here. Door panel needs to be replaced. The handle here is showing wear and tear on it. Weather stripping around the door. It's looking a little weak. Checking the bottom of the door. The interior's in good shape. Package tray's not too bad. Headliner looks pretty decent. It's got some spots though. You got a little spot there, some spots over there in the corner. Looks like it needs to be stretched out over in the back. Oh, well, there's a rip here. It's getting worse the more I look at this headliner. May just need to replace this headliner. Sit down in the car and look around. You think the horn works on this one? We got an old school Alpine radio with an EQ. The dash looks pretty good. It's not in bad shape at all. It's showing 19,000 miles on the dash. I cannot stand behind that. Not in a 1971 model. She starts up nice and easy. Nice quiet exhaust. We'll go ahead and try some stuff out. Let's try the wipers. They do work. Let's try, I seen the AC compressor. It kicked on. I felt it pull down on the motor. Give it a second to cool off. It doesn't feel too bad right now. It is cooling off. The AC works in this one. Let's try the radio. Radio works in this one. Odds are pretty good for this horn here. Y'all ready for this? You think it works? Let's try it. Oh yeah. Looks like everything works on this car. Large mat, decent carpet, Alpine speakers. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and shut the hood down here. Gonna have to wiggle this hood. The hinges get stuck on these. Shuts down pretty good. Even on my Chevelle, I gotta push down on the backside. There we go. All right, good deal. We're gonna go ahead and do some undercarriage shots. I do got close to 100 detailed pictures on my website. Please check that out before you're giving us a call. Watch both of these videos, the detailed pictures, call the finance company, then give us a call. We're gonna try to help you out the best we can, but once you've done all that, it's gonna be very, very simple process. All right, we're gonna look up under the front, go all the way around the car. All right, guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I do try and post videos of these cars every day. I do music as well. Look at the top right-hand corner. You can go on over to my music page, and if you don't mind, subscribe to that if you like it. If not, I appreciate you trying. And maplemotors.com. It's got everything from pictures to financing, shipping information, to all of our inventory. So definitely check all that out and then give us a call, 615-822-4444. We're a family business. Been here about 37, 38 years now. It's my grandfather walking around out here. I went with my dad and my uncles. We're up here pretty much 6 days a week. We close on Sundays. This next week we will be closed for Labor Day. So Monday we're gonna be off. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.